Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Phillips curve questions get easy when you track what aggregate demand does to inflation and unemployment. So watch this quick breakdown and lock it in. An unexpected decrease in aggregate demand means spending falls across the economy. So firms sell less output and cut production. That pushes real output down and raises unemployment in the short run. In the Phillips curve model, lower aggregate demand does not shift the short-run Phillips curve right away. Instead, the economy moves along the existing curve toward lower inflation and higher unemployment. Starting at point G on that short-run Phillips curve, move to the point with higher unemployment and lower inflation. Well done! Option B, scan now. Watch signs and avoid rush errors. Trust the given setup, then check each step before choosing movement versus shifting.